Hey there, financial aficionados. Welcome back to our channel where we decode the complexities of banking and finance. Today, we're diving into the world of checking accounts, your ultimate tool for managing your day-to-day finances. Let's get started. So what exactly is a checking account? Well, think of it as your financial hub, where you stash your money for everyday use and easy access. But there's more to it than just a place to stash your cash. Let's unpack the details. At its core, a checking account is a type of bank account that allows you to deposit and withdraw money as needed. It's like the command center of your financial life, where your money flows in and out seamlessly. With a checking account, you get the convenience of accessing your funds through various channels, like checks, debit cards, and online banking. It's like having your money at your fingertips whenever you need it. Now let's talk about the key features that make checking accounts stand out in the financial landscape. First off, you've got access to your funds whenever and wherever you need them. Whether you're swiping your debit card at the grocery store or paying bills online, your checking account keeps you connected to your cash. But how does it all work? Let's take a peek behind the curtain and see how checking accounts operate. When you deposit money into your checking account, it's like adding fuel to your financial engine. You can then use that money to make purchases, pay bills, or even send money to friends and family. Now let's talk about the perks of having a checking account in your financial toolbox. First up, convenience. With a checking account, you can say goodbye to carrying around wads of cash and hello to easy electronic transactions. Plus, most checking accounts offer features like online banking and mobile apps, so you can manage your money on the go. But wait, there's more. Checking accounts come in all shapes and sizes, each tailored to different financial needs. You've got your basic checking accounts for everyday use, interest-bearing accounts that help your money grow, student accounts designed for young adults, and even business accounts for entrepreneurs and small business. With so many options out there, how do you choose the right checking account for you? Let's break it down. Start by assessing your financial needs and habits. Do you prefer banking online or in person? Are you looking for a checking account with no fees or one that earns interest? By answering these questions, you can narrow down your options and find the perfect fit. And there you have it, folks, the lowdown on checking accounts. We hope this video has shed some light on this essential financial tool and helped you make more informed decisions about your money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks on mastering your finances. Until next time, happy banking!